5 good there now. In the Congo. Chronix, alright, talking about the media. So the name is being called up a lot. It's the word I hear out there is him girl. Make we talk with me. Me talk with me here and it kinda me not see it much, but me hear that word, but then you research and you not see nothing about it and you research. And him do a performance for Last in Time Festival. You know, you say it's mentionable, but me don't know if it's good. It look like he wanna sleep some of the time, but you know the song, everybody has sing along with the song, and them thing there, but I don't know if Chronix alright. Because yeah, that I mean, say, it means should have just say, yo, Chronix performance, but I just body. No, that no, preluding that. Hold on with that, we are talking about performance. Go back to the fact that me hear say him woman did dep on the media about because them video or catch or do oral sex to another rasta. I just said it, yep. I just said it and I'm sure I'm gonna record and edit. Yeah?
Nyah, me a king of Jamaica.